Hello. Man, it kind of looks like a... What do you think of? Is a chicken. He looks like a chicken. Except this one is like, got fire coming out of its eye. Since I have another glass cabinet coming in real soon, I decided I'm gonna be separating all the Gen 1 Pokemon from everything else. The whole collection is in one single glass cabinet compartment. We opened up the first compartment to make all the Gen 1 Pokemon fit here. Alright, thanks Kuya. First box. So we have the official Pokemon Scale World brown box. So you guys are probably wondering why I'm separating all the Pokemon from Gen 1. It's because all the Pokemon that I just ordered in are from Gen 1 and they're super big. It's... Why did it make a sound? It's Onix. This one comes with Brock, which completes my trinity because I have Red, Misty, and now I have Brock. I'm a stickler when it comes to the evolutions, and I have a freaking Steelix, which I got from Japan. I can't not have Onix. We got our boy, the original simp, Brock. Check him out. All the other stuff. Man, it kind of looks like a... What do you think of Onix? Again, the biggest Pokemon from Gen 1. Wow, the details are so good. Like, look at the boulders. This one's heavy. 3 Pokemon in here. They are Freezer, Thunder, and Fire. Yeah, that's the Japanese name of Moltres, Zapdos, and Articuno. The Pokemon are crying out again. Let's unbox the legendary birds. You know what? Let's do it according to numbers. So, Arctic Uno. His wings. Oh, it's a tight squeeze. I like that more than if it's loose. Bianca's looking at me like a crazy person. This thing is bigger than I expected. About as tall as Brock. Articuno can eat Brock. For real. 1. Number 2, Zapdos. Look at the detail. The only thing left is to put the beak. That's so cool. Zapdos. Side by side. There you go. You go here. Moltres is a chicken. He looks like a chicken. Fire chicken. It looks like one of those woodpecker toys. Like, you know, like that. Except this one is like, got fire coming out of its ass. Moltres has the widest wingspan of the 3. Brock for scale. You have Articuno and Zapdos right next to each other. And I'm putting Moltres on top. The wingspan is just so wide. And there you have it. All assembled. We have Zapdos, Moltres, and Articuno, Onix. I can't wait for my friends to come over so I can flex this Onix on them. It looks so good. Okay, that sounded super fucking wrong. I'm actually not gonna keep the Onix and the Steelix in the same cabinet because I want to keep the Gen 1 Pokemon together. Just for scale purposes, Steelix is huge. Alright, so we're done setting up all the Pokemon. These are the ones outside of Gen 1. And of course, we have Gen 2, 3, 4, and others as well. I tried to keep the Gen starters at least all together in one place. And if there are some Pokemon that belong to certain trainers, I kept them together as well. I am forever grateful that some of these Gen starter sets come with the full evolution lines of Meowscarada and stuff like Quaxly as well. Call me a hater, but I really believe in my heart that there shouldn't be a female Wobbuffet here. It's such a waste. It could have been any other Pokemon, but we got literally 2 of the same printed Pokemon and 1 has lipstick. We have Steelix, who is the biggest Pokemon in my collection with a couple of Pokemon up on his head. Then we have the shiny Umbreon, which is a gift again from Bianca. Then it came from Pokecon. And yeah, that's just one of the 2 Pokemon Scale World shelves that I have on my glass cabinet because up here we have the updated Gen 1 shelf. We have Brock, and I put my Ninetales right next to him because we know that he had a Vulpix that eventually evolved into Ninetales. And we have Onix. That is definitely, hands down, my favorite Pokemon in the collection, at least because of the build quality and how it's painted. It just looks so good. Then we have Misty, who has the iconic Togepi. I know that she's supposed to be carrying Togepi, but yeah, we don't have any other pose for Misty here. Staryu, Starmie, and she also got an Azurill, which became a Marill, and eventually will become an Azumarill. Then we have the Gen 1 starter set, Squirtle, Bulbasaur, Charmander. We have Raichu next to Pikachu, even if we know that Red and / Ash does not evolve their Pikachu to Raichu, ever. Maybe I should get Lieutenant Surge. Yeah, there's a figure for that too. Up in front, we have the Slowpoke that is just about to evolve into a Slowbro. We have Mew, Mewtwo, and the 3 legendary birds in the back, Articuno, Zapdos, and Moltres. I am so glad I prepared the shelf specifically for Gen 1 because this looks gorgeous. It doesn't look cluttered or anything. It looks amazing. Big Pokemon. and I just love my collection so much. There you have it. That is my updated Pokemon Scale World collection. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys ever want to start on Pokemon Scale World yourself, don't hesitate to send me a message. Please don't be shy. I love talking about them, and I would love to help you get started.